Hi, good day. COVID-19 update in the Philippines as of May 13, 2021. The objectives of the COVID-19 update are the following: create public awareness, disseminate information and educate the public, encourage the public to continue follow the minimum health safety protocols or standards such as wearing a face mask, wearing a face shield, washing of hands, and physical or social distancing. Then the last one is request the public to allow themselves to be vaccinated. Before we continue with the update, I would like to thank to those who were able to subscribe the channel already. Thank you very much. And if you want to subscribe also, if you did not do it yet, please do so. Subscribe, click the bell, like, and share this video to others. Then we go to COVID-19 additional cases in the Philippines on April 13, 2021. In the upper matrix, we can see the following additional positive cases: 6,385, additional recovered cases 4,289, additional died cases 107. Then we go to COVID-19 total cases in the Philippines as of May 13, 2021. The total cases were 1,124,724. These cases can be broken down into three components, such as total recovered cases 1,050,643, total died cases 18,821, total active cases 55,260, a total of 1,124,724. Then the corresponding percentage of the components. Total recovered cases 93.41% of the total cases. Total died cases 1.67%. Total active cases 4.92%. And this matrix is now called COVID-19 total cases in the Philippines as of May 13, 2021 statistical analysis. Then, before we end our update, once again, I would like to invite you to subscribe the channel, Edgardo Capellanes. Click the bell, like, and share this video to others. Then, findings. Based on the statistical analysis, it reveals that 93.41% were able to recover from COVID-19 pandemic, meaning they survived the COVID-19. 1.67% unluckily they lost their lives, and 4.92% were still active. These are the victims of COVID-19 that can be seen in public and private hospitals, health facilities of the government in the cities, provinces within the Philippines. And from these 4.92% of the total cases, it is expected, I repeat, it is expected that 93.41% of these can survive, while the 1.67% of these will lose their lives. That's the end of our update today, May 13, 2021. Thank you for watching.